after I listen your speech, there's several points I want to mention that first of all, I really like your topic. What you talk is teach me how to wish and after you wish, you can achieve your goal. But you made me feel the most important point is you have the ability to achieve it. So I think the theme of your speech is really great, and before you speak, you use some technique. First of all, you keep silence and smile and stare at each one of the room. So it is really a great skill, and it attracts the audience to listen carefully to your speech. And second, you use another technique, which is you hide the theme of your speech, but until the end of your speech. So at the end of your speech, you suddenly tell the audience the answer of the question that you talk at the first of your speech. So, and the other point I really love is you use many questions to let the audience know what you are going on. And I think it is really a philosopher style, and you always action like a philosopher. And yeah, so that is great for your C2 speech. But as your evaluator, I want to mention several points. First of all, you speak to know that you use nearly all of the time in your speech, and there's only several seconds left. The audience laughs. Yeah, so it's not really good. Maybe you can change a little bit and speak quick, more fast. And the other point is the rhythm. You use really, I don't know how to describe this rhythm that is and I think it is really strange. Maybe you can try to make your speech more smooth. Yeah, so that's my evaluation. Back to you, RGE.
Thank you, Sam, for his very interesting value.